In this video, we are going to be analysing ATXI. So to get straight into it, firstly, we do want to look at, firstly, it is up 100% on the day. And one other thing to note is that their value for the market shares is actually relatively cheap for even a small cap stock. It would only cost 5.7 million to buy up all the shares in ATXI. Considering it's now up 100%, even though that would take it to around 11 million. But either way, if people have big money, this stock can be easily moved. So do watch out for this if you're holding the stock long, because you don't want to be caught into a gap to the downside. But getting into more of the analysis side of things, what are going to be key resistance levels if we continue up? And as of right now, our closest resistance level is at 57 cents, which we can actually see has currently been the high. So currently we could just be pulling back to VWAP, and if we make another move, if we expect a continuation higher, we want to see a break above 57 cents, break above it by maybe just even a few cents, come back to retest it as a support, and as long as buying pressure kicks in, then we can expect a further move to the upside, which would take us to at least 78 cents. If we're able to break that, we're then looking at 90 cents, $1, and again, this level would be key psychological level, and final levels taking us to $1.38 and $1.85. So these would be our key resistance levels. If we are instead bearish on this stock, what are going to be key support levels? And as of right now, we would be looking at 44 cents as a closest support level. Taking us lower would take us to 36 cents. From there, our next target on a statistical level would be 15 cents, so very far off from where we are now, and probably not all that likely to actually achieve. But one other level to note would be our 52-week low at 20 cents. So really these would be our lowest lows that we would expect the stock to go to. But really the key focus is we're currently sitting around 50 cents. If we continue to the downside, we will most likely get a small bounce off the 45 cent level. If we instead go to the upside, we want to see a break above 57 cents because this will be a key resistance level. If we can see a break above it, we want to come back to test it as a support, and as long as that level holds, we can then expect a breakout to around 80 cents. Now, just as a disclaimer, I don't hold any shares in this stock. I don't short any shares in this stock. I don't have any options. I have no money invested in any way in this stock. So I don't actually have a bias on this stock. I'm just giving you my support and resistance levels, what I would be looking at if I was personally trading the stock. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out this analysis video here.